So, good morning. You're not going to get any kind of Instagram glamour shot out of me this morning. It is super early. Somebody just drove their ATV thing, or side by side, whatever you call them, right through the middle of camp, and it is 6:20, and they're driving around all over already. So, yay for coming to the outdoors for peace and quiet, right? Alright guys, give you a quick little tour of camp here. Show you the setup that we have with the Nissan. Sorry about the messy hair, but I figure I'm out in the mountains. I also have the buff, so maybe I'll be able to do some fun head stuff with it. Bugs are starting to come out, but let's show you guys what it looks like. So as you can see, this is just home base, right? I have these old couch cushions from a couch that we got rid of. It was falling apart, so I just threw those down and it was extremely comfortable. I also have my solid cooler, which I can reach in here at any time so I can get what I need to. This is bed. My little travel organizer, which by the way is a great thing to have when you're doing these. I keep all my camera gear up front in my camera bag, extra backpacks, things like that, so I can totally lay down back here. I can also sit up back here and work on my computer as I sit in here. I took my little Subaru cargo net to make like a little food storage, and just really trying to make myself comfortable. I do have a carbon monoxide detector, so don't worry people, safety, right? Got it? And then I'm able to store all of my cooking and kitchen stuff inside of this big Rubbermaid, which I'll show you from the other side. If I pull my seat all the way forward, I can actually lay down completely flat, which is pretty sweet. So again, I just stack stuff there. No super emergency getaways or anything, but I've got it all wrapped up here. That's my hiking backpack. And then just more camera gear, the drone, the Sony, all of that stuff is there. Yes. And then I just decided to set up kitchen here last night. Figured it was easy. All right. Tip number 2, you guys. These bug nets are like $6. You can get them at Walmart, you can get them at Shields, get them all over Amazon. You guys, all I've done is I just take it and I seal it in the door frame, and then I have bug netting so I can keep the window down all night. And for $6, this is like super easy. And then when they get destroyed, because they do get ripped and destroyed from like closing in the door and stuff, when they do that though, I just toss them, throw them away. But it is a super useful tip. I also have one that goes on this window. I have one for all of the windows actually. So this is clothing, emergency first aid. This is where all my camera gear is. And I will have a dry box. Like I have a Pelican case that I'll be using when I'm on the road for longer periods of time. But I figured for just this, it would be nice to have easy access. And that's something I'm gonna have to work on. I have no idea where I'm gonna keep this stuff, but it was not conducive last night. So gonna have to change that a little bit. All right, and then here's the kitchen. So I've got my action packer here. I've got my tent, and I've got my 3-gallon spray bottle. You guys, if you don't have, this is a weed bottle. If you don't have one of these in your camp kitchen yet, go and spend the Go spend the $19 and get one. This thing is portable. It's pressurized. I can shower with it. I can do dishes with it. It is like the best trick. And then when you're done, you just let the air out. And I've got it here so that I can just access it. All right. Then we go up to the roof box. I don't know if you guys can see the bug carnage that I drove through last night. There was a point where I thought it was raining on my car, and it's because all these little gnats were hitting the window over and over again. I thought maybe, I was like, there's no clouds, but it seems like it's raining. Nope, it's bug carnage. All right. If you guys are doing something cool and creative with your cars or trucks or SUVs, please throw a link up here. Let us see what you're doing. This is such a cool thing for all of us to share. I'm toying with taking an old dresser I have, maybe moving it where my kitchen is there, but I haven't decided 100% yet. So yeah, if you're doing something really cool, share it with us so we can all see it. And man, you guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out what the rig looks like. Don't worry, it's just allergies. I don't have the Rona.